What's going on, guys? Josh Pocock here. Now on this channel, we've covered Perplexity as well as we've covered many different free open source Perplexity alternatives. We've covered GPT Researcher, we covered Perplexica, we've covered Morphic AI, LLM Answer Engine, TurboSeek.io, the list goes on. And I know a lot of you guys like using different alternatives to Perplexity because it's really good for doing research, of course. And I know obviously a lot of you guys love open source tools. That being said, in today's video, we're going to be talking about another open source alternative to Perplexity called MiniPerplx. It's powered by Versal as well as xAI, and you can deploy it on your own within a few clicks. I'm going to show you how you can completely use it for free today or how you could use it with your own API keys. Let's dive right into it. Alright guys, so MiniPerplx has been around for a little bit of time now, and I just saw the founder of Versal tweet about it, mentioning that, it is now powered by Versal as well as xAI. So there have been some improvements that they've been making with this tool, and it's becoming a pretty good alternative to Perplexity in terms of the other open source alternatives like Morphic, Perplexica, all the other ones that we've mentioned. It does have a lot of good features, and we're going to look at that in just a second. Now here is the repo, the GitHub repo of MiniPerplx. All links will be in the description down below as always. As you can see here, a minimalistic AI powered search engine that helps you find information on the internet. So here are some of the features: AI powered search, web search, URL specific search, weather, programming, maps, translation, YouTube search, academic search, product search, X posts search, flight tracker, trending movies and TV shows, movies or TV shows search. So the LLM used xAI Grok, built with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, Versal AI SDK, ShadCN UI, Tavily, Open Weather, E2B, Google Maps, Mapbox, TripAdvisor, Microsoft Translator, Exa.ai, and Aviation Stack. All right, you can also set MiniPerplx as your default search engine if you want. As you can see, this is how you do it right here. I'm not going to go over that. Now, you can deploy it locally. Now, we'll talk about the local deployment in just a second, but let's go ahead and take a look at how you can use this for absolutely free. So you can actually just go to MPLX.run, which is MiniPerplx's URL. And as you can see here, it is powered by Versal, xAI Grok. And we have a few different options. So we could search from web to search across the entire internet. We can search X, so X posts and content. This is definitely very useful if you're doing research maybe for content or news, what's trending. We have academic right here, so search academic papers and research, and then search YouTube videos in real time. Now, if I go to Perplexity, just to show you what it has web search, academic search, math, videos, writing, social. So the one thing that MiniPerplx has, is this X search right here that, from what I see, Perplexity doesn't have. When I go to socials, it's mainly searching from Reddit posts right here. If I search like trending AI news on X. So that is something that did stand out to me with MiniPerplx that I'm actually very excited for. And then here we also have a couple options. We can do Grok 2.1, the most intelligent text model, or Grok 2.0 Vision, the most intelligent vision model. Okay, if you do vision, you can also upload images, which definitely could be useful. All right, so let's just do a very basic web search right here, just so you can get a feel of the interface. And as you can see plan for AI news search. We can see the different steps that it's taking, which is 3 steps here. So 1, run web search tool to gather recent AI news. 2, use multi-query web search to cover different aspects of AI news. 3, ensure to include the year 2025 in search queries to get the most recent information. So that's very useful that it did all those steps, since our query was actually very vague. And if we do something like this in Perplexity, for example, let's do recent AI news search. Okay, so we definitely got 2 different types of responses here. Just to show you the exact same query in Perplexity, it's kind of short. As you can see, it's going over Microsoft Data Center updates, hardware updates, OpenAI, and industry dynamics. MiniPerplx, on the other hand, for one, we can see AI News 2025. So it did this search, did latest AI developments 2025, AI technology trends. And if we click here on each different query, we can see related images, which is really nice. And we can also see the top sources right here, right? So we got like all the different websites. We scroll down, we can see our answer. So we got recent AI news and developments in 2025, AI in healthcare, AI in marketing. So different predictions, AI trends beyond ChatGPT, 5 AI trends for 2025, AI agents everywhere. This is what we all know. Transformation of the education system, robots. All right. All in cybersecurity. So AI in and digital workforce development, AI in robotics, AI in daily life, AI in the killer app, AI technology trends. All right. AI in e-commerce. So definitely a lot more of an in-depth answer. As we can see the sources right here. So it actually did a very good job. It's giving us suggested questions right here. So pretty impressive, to be honest. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with this first query. Just as a side note, guys, you can toggle light mode or dark mode on over here. You can also do a new chat right here.
Are you tired of pouring thousands of dollars into appointment setters only to watch leads slip away? Imagine having a team of elite sales agents booking qualified appointments for you around the clock. No more wasted time on training, no more frustration with performance, and no more draining your budget on inconsistent and expensive call centers. Introducing Stride Agents, AI-powered appointment setters that work 24/7, never get tired, and book appointments while you sleep. Trained on thousands of successful conversations, our AI agents outperform human teams at just 1/10 of the cost. Join the ranks of businesses that doubled their appointments and booking rates in just a matter of weeks. Don't get left behind in the AI revolution. Visit strideagents.com now and transform your entire sales process with cutting-edge AI technology. It's time to accelerate your stride with AI agents.
All right, now let's do a similar query right now, but let's try X posts. I'm curious to see this, how this works, right? So searching for latest news, latest from X. So we got Jason from the All In podcast tweeting right here. We can click on show 2 more tweets. Actually, it's just showing 2 tweets here. So AI has quickly become a part of everyday life. This was December 31st, 2024. This is January 5th, 2025. So pretty recent. Okay, and the answer is just going over these 2 tweets. So, I mean, it's not bad in terms of the Twitter side of things. I definitely think it could have pulled more tweets right here. All right, I only pulled 2 tweets. All right, I'm going to change this to OpenAI news and predictions. Let's see if it can go ahead and pull some more tweets. Okay, so this time it did pull 9 tweets, which I definitely think is a lot better because it gives it more research and stuff to pull context from. Now we can see it's doing a summary based on all those specific tweets. So similar to how Grok actually works on Twitter. And of course, you can do academic, YouTube, etc. So I am quite impressed with MiniPerplx so far in terms of the quality and just how it works. Now, if you want to self-host this, which you technically may not even need to do, since as of now, you can actually just use this for free on their cloud-hosted version. But you have a couple different options. The easiest way is to actually just deploy with Versal right here. It would be just a couple of different clicks. You may have to add your API keys. Pretty straightforward. Now, the second way is giving me a bit of issues. I'll let you know what they have in their setup here. I did get it up hosted before, but it was still giving me a bit of issues. I'll kind of explain as we go. So here for local development, you basically just have to sign up for the accounts with the AI providers you want to use, whether that's OpenAI, Anthropic. And Anthropic are required. Tavily is required for web search features. So you can search up Tavily, sign up for that. Once you actually sign up for these, I'll show you exactly what ones you want to sign up for. You're going to copy this URL. You're going to open up your terminal and you're going to run git clone and then the repo link right here. Then you're going to cd, change directory into MiniPerplx. And then I like to just open it in cursor or VS Code. So code dot. Then you're going to run pnp install. Okay, that's going to install the dependencies right here. And then you're supposed to just run pnp dev. So you literally just run pnp install, pnp dev. Before you do that though, you're actually going to want to go over to your environment variables. So you're going to see .env.example. You're going to want to make a copy of that and either change it to .env.local or .env. And then you're going to see Anthropic API key, Tavily API key, Grok API key, OpenWeather API key, E2B API key. Okay, so then once I did PNP run dev, it actually did work this time. Sometimes it wasn't working, but now it did, and now it's still kind of giving me an issue. So as you can see, it's loaded up here. If I do a search, for example, like new, we're getting an error occurred right here. So it's saying we need upstash rest URL and variables. So here it's saying we're missing a couple API keys. Just so you guys know, it's saying we're missing xAI underscore API key equals. It's also saying we're missing the upstash Redis rest URL and the rest token. So I'm going to try adding these and see if it works. Okay, so I just added those API keys. So I'm going to try this now. We got AI news right here. Let's see what we get over here. Okay, so I put those environment variables and I'm not getting an error, but it's just not loading. So let me know if I'm doing something wrong. Let me know if you guys figured out how to self-host this. Personally, just with the local development, I'm having some issues. I'm sure if you do it on Versal, it probably won't have as many issues. Or maybe it's just a bug in some of the recent updates. Other than that, guys, I think the free version definitely is very awesome and you can use that right now. I'll leave a link down below. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you're new to the channel, we upload videos all the time on AI, marketing, sales, business growth, AI automation, AI agents. So if you like that type of content, you got some value here, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to stay up to date with the uploads. Hope everyone's having a great start to their 2025. We're going to really crank up the value here on this channel, and I'm excited to build this channel with you guys and build a community here. So if you're new and you haven't already joined our free Facebook group and Discord channel, stridecommunity.com, I'll leave a link down below. And then also too, guys, if you haven't already checked out our Stride AI Academy, it's going to be value packed with so much free value, free courses, free information, free templates, resources, etc. You're definitely going to want to check that out, Stride AI Academy. You'll also be able to network with like-minded individuals as well as myself. And then also too, guys, if you run a business and you need help implementing systems, operations, AI agents like AI appointment setters, AI call center into your business, then make sure to book a call down below at executivestride.com/apply. Our system is getting crazy results for our clients right now, so I guarantee that you will be impressed if you book a call. Other than that, guys, I will see you in the next video. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite free open source Perplexity alternative is down below, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and of course, guys, accelerate your stride. Take care.